Anita Coleman.
Afternoon. Good morning.
It's afternoon. There's just no windows where you are, so it's hard to tell. So it looks like you were arrested on a civil writ of bodily attachment for contempt of court for failure to comply with a final judgment with regard to some property that you're presuming was right at or something to that effect. The bond was set at $250. And I'm assuming you haven't been able to pay that, get out?
May I make a statement, Your Honor?
I'm sorry?
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, may I make a statement? That says Century, right?
I don't know.
Okay, well, I am with Lake Point Homeowners Association.
Right. You were moved by
Yes, but I'm with Lake
House.
Point Homeowners,
To comply with some requirement.
but I'm with Lake Point Homeowners Association. That says Century.
Well, I don't care, you're in jail, right?
Well, I realize that, but I understand. But I'm saying I'm with Lake Point.
Are you able to punch the $250 or not?
But that's for Century. I'm not with I'm Lake Point Homeowners Association. They don't have the right to put anything in.
Okay.
So under Lake Point, there's no requirement for members of Lake Point.
You're not going to win that argument today.
Okay.
We're not here for that. That's what the other court proceeding was all about. Not today.
Well, that was already presented in court.
Today was you failing to comply with a court order and the judge having you arrested for contempt for not complying with the order. That's why you're here. You understand that?
I read that, Your Honor, but that's at the same time we're Lake Point, not Century.
Okay. Well, you can tell the Judge Neighborhouse all about that.
She was told that.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you're still not going to comply with the order.
So she was already given that information.
Okay. And she ordered you arrested anyway, right?
But the question is why?
Okay. Well, because I didn't comply with the order and she's holding me in contempt. That's what she says. Right. So, right. So, she was arrested yesterday. The red bottle attachment says either if she doesn't pay the full amount, to release her after 48 hours and schedule another hearing for December 16th in front of Judge Neighborhouse in Vienna. All right. So we'll schedule a hearing for December 16th in front of Judge Neighborhouse. And since she was arrested yesterday, she can be released, I assume, tomorrow.
It should be around tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow evening. Right. And then Monday, this is Monday, you're hearing at 8:30 in front of Judge Neighborhouse in Vienna. And you can explain your what you're trying to tell the all right, and good luck.
Mhm.
All right. All right, Tequila Gilmore.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, she's
Let's see, Robert Day.
Yes, sir.
All right, good afternoon, Mr. Day. Just 1 second to find your case. It looks like you were arrested on a warrant for violation of pretrial release. Your bond is at $2,000. Are you able? You already had the public defender. You already had a court date January 14th in front of Judge Keenan for another early resolution.
So I'm a single father, and usually this Christmas time, is there no way I can get out and get back to my kids? I mean, I'm not to ask for a mitzvah here, you know, but
Judge gave you a bond. He gave you a bond.
yeah, I didn't even have a chance to ask for it to be lowered. I was in the suicide, or I'm sorry, the pod over there. My back was hurting so bad I didn't have. I don't know. I swear that I'm not sure.
Well, I'm sorry. Why didn't you go to a early resolution?
I did, sir. I went to my court date December 3rd, and they moved it back to the 10th.
So they're saying that this. Let me look at the violation again.
Yes, sir. I just want to get back to my kids, man. I'm not a drug user. I smoke weed, and that was the only thing I ever did. So
Well, you were charged with possession of methamphetamine.
I know, sir. I had found it honestly scrapping, and I told the officers that I had it before I even got arrested.
Well, they see what the basis, if I could tell what the basis was for the violation.
I know. So,
Possession, no, because you got arrested for the possession of methamphetamine.
yes, sir.
So you picked up a new arrest for the same thing.
Yes. Good. I don't know. I'm not allowed to. I'm not supposed
You
to.
don't have anything to do with it, but you got arrested a second time for the same thing.
I was literally out scrapping. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You asked. Yes, sir. I was literally out scrapping.
I don't know. So you're out on bond on the other case?
No, sir. I had PTR.
Oh, okay. Let me pull it up and take a look.
I thought I did everything I was supposed to do for PTR. You know, I called every Monday and checked in. I did.
Well, I don't know. They said it says they gave you cash or surety bonds, and then we'll see what happens after that.
I never my first charges.
There's a court date cancellation. I don't. It looks like he's still being held on the other case.
I just want to get back to my kids for
You
Christmas.
were arrested December 7th on the other case, and you're still being held. You have bonds on that.
Yeah, I can't afford to get out, sir.
You're not just being held on this case. You're being held on the other case.
Yeah.
Well, I can't address that one. I believe the bond as is. I feel like it today. You have more bonds on the other case already.
Yeah.
I can't address that today.
Can this one be lowered by any chance or anything? Just to help me out. Try to get out.
But as is, I'm surprised that you have a $2,000 bond. Normally, it'd be no bond.
Yeah, I don't. Okay.
Good one. Thomas and Vitolo.